2 things to know when you do dhikr of Allah. Rasulullah gives us 2 points here. Number 1, he said, Allah says in the hadith Qudusi that is authentic, Allah says, I am with my slave as long as he remembers me and moving his lips. What's the point? When you do dhikr, when you pray, make sure you don't do it silently like this. That's what Rasulullah is teaching us. Now you gotta move the lips. It's not like completely internal. It doesn't have to be loud. Step number 2 is to say it from the heart. Lips is not enough. Lip service doesn't work. You have to come from the heart. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, Ud'u Allah wa antum muqinuna bil ijaba. Make dua and you're 100% certain Allah will respond. You make dua and sajda, for sure Allah responds. Then he says, the Prophet ﷺ, Allah will not accept the dua, the dhikr of someone who's not paying attention.